come on.
What? What happened to Hope?
Crying.
Who's crying?
Yes.
Who's sleeping?
Brian sleeping.
Hmm?
I said Brian. Sleeping.
Oh. Sleeping.
I can't. Oh, sleeping is. I can't get that yeah. Oh, geez. Save me. I say safe. Oh. Sleeping. Mommy, sleeping.
Oh. You're putting them to sleep? Are they taking their nap, Caiden? Huh?
Sleeping.
Yeah, they're gonna take their nap, right? Are you gonna take your nap too? Go sleep there. You gonna sleep with your toys? With Hulk and Spider-Man and Captain America? Come on. Yeah, you have to sleep with them. In the bed. Next to them. Lay down with them. You wanna lay down with them?
Yes.
Come on, lay down.
Okay.
Go take nap with Elmo. What do you want? Who you want? Who? I get it. I get it. I get it. Get down.
Elmo.
Elmo.
Come on. Elmo.
Elmo. Elmo.
Elmo. I can't.
Elmo.
Sleeping.
Sleeping, Elmo. Go sleep. Careful. You need help? Mommy help you. Let me hold Elmo. Lay down next to them. Lay down here. Lay down.
Okay.
No more. No more.
Okay.
Shh. What's next?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
Yay!
Say Mickey Mouse. Careful. With you, Mickey Mouse.
Sleeping.
Shh.
Every cheese. Oh, cool. There's sleeping dog. Dog. Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Oh,
Who?
dog.
Duck? Donald.
Dog.
Dog? Oh, you want the dog.
Yes, dog.
Dog. There you go.
Sleeping.
Oh, dog gonna sleep too?
Mommy. Mommy.
Yes, I'm watching. You're funny. You're silly boy. Yeah, now lay down with them. Lay down next to them. Go take your nap. Go take your nap.
Yes.
Lights? You want to turn off the light?
Yes.
Turn off the light. Oh.
Okay.
Okay. What? They're gonna go out because they're gonna take their nap? Oh. I see. So they're taking their nap. How about you? Are you not going to take a nap? You have to take a nap with them. Go lay down next to them with Captain America, Spider-Man, Hulk, Elmo, Mickey Mouse, and the dog.
Dog.
And don't forget about the robot.
And
Elmo, Mickey Mouse.
and sleeping.
Yeah, they're sleeping.
And sleeping.
They're sleeping. They have.
Sleeping. Sleeping.
Mm-hmm.
Sleeping.
Yeah.
Sleeping.
You say night-night to them. Did you kiss them good night? You have to kiss them good night. Go give them a kiss. Go kiss them.
Okay. And close.
So they can good night kiss. Good night kiss. Good night, Mickey Mouse. Yeah, kiss. Give them a kiss. How about Captain America? Oh, how about Spider-Man? Oh, how about the robot? Oh, how about the dog? Oh, Elmo. Oh, Hulk. Say night-night. You see night-night? Shh. Sleepy. Okay. I turned up the light, okay? Good night, night. Night, night. Night, night, guys. Okay, go.